Oh, sorry.
Brew, I'm gonna stop petting you now, okay? My arm really hurts. It's been like 30 minutes. Ow! Brew, you can't. Ow!
Stop petting your dog and see his reaction.
And you spend the rest of the day wondering